The accommodation was very good, which is something I always look out for. I stayed in the studio flat and it was more than enough room for me. I was thoroughly impressed with the facilities.
The only setback I have is my air conditioning unit. As we live in Singapore, having multiple air conditioning units in the household is very common. The air conditioning unit I had in my room had some motor issue and it woke me up many times in the night.
The location was excellent, very close to the tube, restaurants, supermarkets etc. It is also ideally located for visiting the science, natural history and V&A museums. Knightsbridge with Harrods and the other big names is only a few minutes walk away, as is the Royal Park etc.
The kitchenette could have been better equipped, lacking food storage, and would have benefited from having a combi oven rather than just a microwave.
The apartment was what I expected and was exactly as shown in the pictures. I didn't have any complaints but the price size. For well under that price I have stayed in apartments twice if not 3 times the size of this room. I made the mistake of not reading the diameter of the room.
Bar staff very lacking. Server didn't /speak or understand English. Didn't /understand the drinks, not even when I ordered wine. He looked at top shelf for spirits. No lemons or limes available when we ordered AGT.